Boyer. I'm from Minneapolis, Minnesota. I have 2 salons here and I also work for PRAVANA. I am on the collective team and I've been with them since 2017, and my specialty is hair color. So for today's look, we're going to be utilizing her already copper existing color in her hair, and I'm going to be enhancing it with our copper series. And then in the front here, we're going to be doing a face frame of blonde, and I'm going to overlay it at the end with some fun vivids. So I'm going to go over the formulations that I chose for my client here. We're going to be doing 7.40, which is our 7cc, and our 6.64, which is our 6rc. And I used them half and half with 10 volume, and that's going to be applied in the top area that I section off right here. And then for the other formula, I'm just using our Pure Light Ultra Lightener with 10 volume, and that is going to be applied for a face frame and in the back here for those pops of color. Okay, so I completed the lightening and I did the same application on the other side of the head, and now we're going to do the copper, and I'm going to apply this from the bottom to the top, just like 1/2 inch sections, and just making sure you saturate really well. I'm going to apply the roots first and then go in and ends after I'm done with the roots. Ended up shampooing with our Color Protect shampoo and conditioner, which is very important in my opinion to do the color service. It just kind of ends it off really nice, and also just benefits for the longevity of the color. I also will send my client home with that as well, just so that the color stays super nice throughout the whole process. But I'm just loving this color and the way it's laying. It's so beautiful. Thank you guys so much again for tuning into my Get the Look. I had fun creating this copper vivid look today on my model. If you guys want to see more of my work, follow my Instagram at Kayla_Boyer. And if you decide to create this look on your models, make sure to tag PRAVANA. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you later.